I was kind of surprised to see some of this language in the reports over the weekend. The fear factor rising, partly in response to changing fundamentals, partly in response to the market sell-off itself. Carl Weinberg, global economist at HFE, I know you had Jim O'Sullivan on this morning. He's the global guy. He says an economic downturn threatens every country we monitor. We worry that darker days of coincident economic downturn lie on the horizon.
Jim O'Sullivan was not as concerned.
Not as concerned. And
on that very point.
And I'm not sure Carl is as concerned for the U.S., but still he sees the negative
and that was
factors.
our question to Jim. What does that mean for the U.S.?
And the reason, Becky, is because the stronger global growth that helped propel the U.S. economy in the past couple of years expected to fade as those countries slow to trend or even below. Market sell-off creates its own reality. Check this out. One J.P. Morgan recession indicator, looking just at the economic data, sees a middling 21% chance of a recession. But the indicator jumps to 36% when you include market signals, like the market sell-off itself and the flat yield curve. It sounds like a whole circular, what would you call it, Joe? Never mind. Never mind. No, don't go there.
It's the opposite of
By the way, trade tensions are seen having uncertain negative outcomes. Few see the outcome as positive. Now, some economists are pushing back, arguing the outlook is not nearly as bad as the market suggests. Oxford Economics write, while the market signals shouldn't be discarded, we believe they reflect excessive growth pessimism. We expect only a moderate slowdown in economic activity in the coming quarters. So what's the Fed trying to do? Is trying to thread all this uncertainty. On the one hand, it has an economy that looks pretty healthy right now, but is expected to slow, and the market seems to forecast a more dismal outcome. The result is going to be more gradual rate hikes. And what the operative metaphor is the one that Powell used about how when you go in a room and it's dark, you kind of slow down and you grope your way around a little bit.